Alright, y'all. We're in downtown San Francisco. 5,000 pound pack and load. Going to New York, baby. No semi trucks down here. So, load it in the U-Haul, bring it back to the truck. And yeah, let's check it out. Some of that. What you eating there, little fella? What you got? What you got? What you got? You better break me off some cut.
Yeah. Mess around, man. Mess around. Damn, these boys know how to pack. Woo! It's fucking booty ass mattress. Send it. Go back. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright, we need some book boxes right here. Alright. Maybe a cube will fit good. Let's see. Ow. Somebody help me with food. Almost didn't make it there, guys. Damn. He's fast. What the fuck is this, man? Yeah, look what we got here. There. Oh, like this there. Go somewhere. Go somewhere else. Stop me. Yep. That's better. That's better. Somebody. Good. I'm stuck. They said load the whole truck yourself. You got this? I said I got you. This shit. Fuck out of here. I'll check it out for you. No, you good. Load it up. Load me up. I got it. I just need some, yeah, I kind of need some boxes, but. Yeah. Perfect. Perfecto. Don't follow me now, baby. Oh, I hear wheels. Who we got? Dawson here.
Alrighty, y'all. Made it back to my truck. Let's get it. Get this shipment up in here. We're waiting for our guys to pull up. Our other movers. San Francisco movers. These guys are bomb. They packed it. Loaded it. I guess I loaded it. But let's go, baby.
I know. It's been coming for some time.
You guys are fucking good, man. Very good.
Yeah, buddy. Made a separate green. Oh, come on.